Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today just going to be going over the 50k prop firm phase 1 challenge that I've just completed only in 2 days. As you can see here on day 1, which was on the Monday, I took about 3 trades, and on yesterday I took around 10 trades. The reason was the entries, there were opportunities that were just too good to miss, so capitalize on those. And as you can see, this equity curve here, straight from the get-go, we just always just wait for the only A+ setups. Took the first trade, and then from there just went straight up. And if I can break this down, well, it's not letting me right now, but just right now currently just waiting on phase 2. So just need to make 8%, which is 4k on the 50k, so from 50 to 54k. And then now if I just show you guys, I have made another obviously if the video is going to continue from what I'm going to be showing next, so just watch it guys. It'll be showing from, I believe, how I made the first 3% or the next 3%. So it was a move I caught, so yeah, just continue watching, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, this is a move I just caught. There was a break of resistance and I capitalized on this. This is just a just trading in the London session. Just saw this. Now we're running nicely in profit on the 50k account. Now we're about, I would say, yeah, I'm just looking for about 3 to 4%, and then if we can get more than that, that'll be great. But right now price is running nicely in our favor. So I will do a breakdown to the reason for the trade, but just going to see right now we're just shooting up. Now obviously the whole idea of this with the strategy is secondary. Well, first of all, you do have to have a strategy, but your main thing is psychology. You want to make sure once you are in a trade, what you're thinking is if it goes against you, then happy days. If it goes in your favor, happy days. You have to have zero emotions, be like a robot. And the best thing I would recommend is, if you're retrading in the zone, and the Disciplined Trader and all by Mark Douglas, and also The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugard, I would highly recommend those books. Right now, if normally what I like to do as well is, when a trade goes in my favor, I do like to move my stop loss to break even, so the trade is absolutely safe. Just say you only do that once you're about 2% into profit. If the price does come back against you, then it was just not meant to be. And like right now, I'm getting tempted to close the trade. Right, there's lots of emotions that come into this, but the best thing to do with this is right now just let it keep going. When you have a bullish move like this, then it just shows that the buyers and the banks, they just want price to be at a certain level, and they're just unhappy with the level that it's currently at. Now with for example, if you can see at the bottom, we're now I think I'm looking at the bigger time frames, but there was lots of resistance created and support. Price was moving side to side, call it ranging, but now we have we're running about 42 points into profit. I think it's going to keep going, but I might even close it earlier just to see about even pull out 3%. So as you can see here guys, it's a funding pips prop firm account phase 1 with on a 50k account. So this is this is the huge move, this huge bullish candle that I caught. Obviously I know it's looking a bit messy right now, but normally I keep my charts very super clean. But the reason for, obviously, like I mentioned earlier, the reason for the trade was because I saw a break in structure to the upside, and let the market do the rest. Just wait for the banks to come in, push volume into the market. And now, I mean, this thing is just flying right now. It's just going higher and higher, but we'll just see. It's all about patience. Once the trade is in profit, just keep hoping that it just keeps going higher. Normally people are hopeful when it's markets in when you're in drawdown, and they be fearful when you're in profit. So that is not the way to be. Okay, I've closed this guys. Okay, if you look at this from look at this bullish candle here. So if I just one moment, I just refreshed and look guys, 52.5, 5% up, just need the remaining 3%. happy days. So if you can look here, yeah, so you know this is all legit, you can't fake any of this. You know, just here right now, just to show you guys that prop firms are easy, but just depends on the individual and how you trade your accounts. It is one of the hardest things to do in the world, but you have to be, if I show you the balance there, as you can see as well. But just mindset, discipline, and obviously education. Educate yourself every single day, and adapting, and just, you know, evolving as a trader. As you can see, my average loss and then obviously average win. So I hope you guys found this video insightful, motivational, inspirational, whatever you call it. Just I hope there's gonna be tons of videos coming out, you know, so yeah, just check them out. And yeah, if I just I mean, look, you see this huge curve here just spiked up. That's because I just closed the 3% profit trade. So I hope that was helpful, guys, and I'm out. Take care.